Okay, so laro na po ng Gilas Pilipinas mamayang alas 8 ng gabi. Excited na ba kayo? Sino manonood sa venue? Ako dito lang sa bahay. Pero ang mga tanong ng mga fans, maglaro kaya si Kay Soto? Ano kaya? Ibang ko kaya siya? Jordan Clarkson, maka 5 foul kaya? Ma-fouled out kaya? At Junmar Fardo, magawa niya kaya ulit yung ginawa niya sa Dominican Republic? Ang tingin ko lang ito at sa aking palagay mananalo tayo.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Pinakita natin sa Dominican Republic, para sa akin positively, I think we can. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong sipa, meron tayong, meron tayong chance na manalo. Dominican Republic is not a pushover team. Magaling pong team yan. And Angola is ranked lower. But let's not underestimate. So sagutin ko na kagad yung mga tanong and why I feel na mananalo tayo. Angola versus Italy happened, di ba? Pinahirapan ng Angola yung Italy at least in the early rounds, pero sa bandang huli bumigay din po ang Angola. I think that the same thing will happen against the Gilas Pilipinas. Of course, in order for us to win, sa aking pong palagay, as a fan, hindi po tayo na magaling, pero as a fan, I think Jordan Clarkson need to have a repeat performance of what he did. So I'm okay with him missing a few shots, but at the end of the day, he needs to be there the full game. He cannot foul out. So maybe sacrifice some of the defense in a way, siguro, because ultimately nung nawala siya against the Dominican Republic, naghahanap na tayo. Ano nang gagawin natin next? Parang siya talaga yung anchor. And Junmar Fajardo, I think, can have a repeat performance. Why? Wala namang Carl Anthony Towns, although medyo sinasabi ng iba, tama daw depensa si Towns, yung pinakamatangkad nila 6'10". Kasing height lang ni Junmar Fajardo. So, I think Junmar Fajardo can have another good performance. And Kay Soto, I think if magamit siya dito, siya na yung talagang magiging pinakamalaki. At sa tingin ko this time around, maka-contribute na si Kay Soto. I don't expect him to have a long minutes. The same thing as the first, because I think Edu and Junmar Fajardo has maganda yung maganda yung kanilang chemistry based on the first game. I would like to also see itong si Dwight Ramos to be more assertive. And the more important thing para manalo tayo dito is this one. Now, may mga nag-argue tayo. Sino ba dapat ang point guard natin? Scottie Thompson is a great point guard. However, he needs to take care of the ball. And I think Kiefer Abena, from what we know now, is really good, no? Baka mabaligtad this game, hindi natin alam. But I'm telling you, from the overall aspect, lamang talaga tayo sa tingin ko sa Angola. And I think this time around, mananalo na tayo. Sana manalo, kasi bawal manalo. Kasi pag natalo tayo against Angola, medyo tatama din na po yung iba. Alam mo kung bakit. Kasi pag natalo tayo against Angola, malamang laglag na tayo. Kaya, mamaya, win or go home. Laglag or panalo or bash. Tigilan nyo naman si Coach Shot. I mean, I'm sure it's hard to be a coach, but again, hindi pa tapos ng torneo. Hindi pa natin alam. So, support muna siguro tayo. But again, you're the fan. You have your opinion. Ito sa akin lang. Tingin niyo ba mananalo tayo? Let me know in the comment section.